welcome back to our channel. And today we are in Yakimix. It's also another Japanese yakinuku buffet style, and it's all over the Philippines, so for sure you already know what Yakimix is. And this is our review, and let's see if Chris would like Yakimix better than Tom Yum. Let's see! So you like Tom Yum better?
So far, yeah, I like Tom Yum better. The hospitality, the ambience of it, so much nicer.
Remember in our last video, we showed you Tom Yum.
Compare between Tom Yum and Yakimix.
Yes, we're trying to compare.
Tom Yum has a Kobe beef. Very, very nice, lean beef.
So Chris is not yet convinced, so let's wait till after an hour.
I don't like the setting here, the way the food's up against the wall and kind of hidden like that. I like it open. Tom Yum, you got the buffet in the center, everything around the center.
But the price is just the same, right?
Yes.
And he likes his beef in Tom Yum. And here they don't have a selection of Kobe beef, right? Karabi beef.
Oh, did you look and see if they have mushrooms?
I believe so, they have. But what I like about here is they have octopus.
Oh, you got that.
Look at that.
Well, I'm gonna go hit the juice bar. What do you want, Ed?
Iced tea. So we are trying to grill our beef and our salmon here. Iced tea.
Look at the grill, it's different.
Yeah, the grill is different.
Like a dome, where all the grease and everything goes down into these whole chairs and drains. Whereas Tom Yum has a flat plate, and they put that heat-resistant paper on top of it, and so you're able to cook all the juices into the food. And right now, I'm enjoying it as always, the Japanese food, sushi, my California maki, and I have salmon on the side. And tamago. Sashimi, salmon. Good. The thing that I really like here is their selection of seafood. It's really good. Shrimp,
squid, octopus, sashimi, different kinds of tuna, salmon. So we have
They don't have any Kobe beef, do they?
ooh,
What is this, man? They don't have the chili sauce, right?
which one? This one?
Yeah, get a little bowl.
We have ampalaya love. Shrimp, we got the beef, the salmon. What do you have? Oh, so Chris found a brisket, and you are what? Heating it up? Oh, it's already hot.
Got the beef stew.
It's already hot, babe.
Yeah, this one is hot. What friends? What friends? After they said.
Let's make some sampyupsal. Let's put some soybean paste. Yummy, yummy. Yapsal is ready with soybean paste. Let's eat. Don't we just love samyupsal? Let's make more. blueberry and peach crepe with ubi ice cream for dessert. Thank you for being with us, guys, and I hope you enjoyed and hope it helps. So come visit Yakimix. It's 700 pesos or 699 during dinner time and 600 during lunchtime. So have a wonderful day and I'll talk to you soon and happy eating!